Hello everyone, my name is Karen Adams and I'm just going to be showing you how I went about creating my searchable literature database via the Caspio app. So you're just going to click on the Caspio right here and just create your 14-day trial, and then it'll come to a page like this. So what you pretty much want to do, you want to upload the spreadsheet that we had in a previous module so that you can create a database. So you're just going to go ahead and click a new app, and it's going to ask you to start by importing data. So you're just going to want to import that spreadsheet, and the app name, you can name it whatever you want, but for the purpose of the video, I'll just leave new app 1. You're just going to click on choose file, and then you just have to pick your spreadsheet that you did. Just click on that, click open, and then it populates over here. So you just click on next, and it's importing all the information from the spreadsheet. So it was done successfully. Click on next. And then now it just has the sheet here. So the sheet is populated. That's your spreadsheet. Just make sure it's clicked off, and you're just gonna click on next again. And then all the information shows up here from the spreadsheet. You have the author, the title of the article, year published, the URL, keywords, and so forth. So now you just want all that data to be imported so that you'll be able to create a database. So you're just going to go ahead to the bottom here and click on import. So it has been imported successfully. So we just go ahead and you just click on close to get out of this. And then now it's gonna formulate here. So you're just gonna want to go back to the data pages, and then I'm going to go to the one that I created so I can show you how I did it. So this is mine. Okay, so you go to data pages here, and then you're just gonna click on, when your sheet fully populates, you click on there. And in order to import it as a, or to make it into a database form, you have to click on reports, and then we're going to click on tabular. And then you just click on next. And then it'll have all the information here. This is sheet 1. And it says sheet 1 search and report 1. So you just click on next. And then you just make sure you have show search form highlighted and results below search form, and also check off the display results on initial load. And you just click on next. So now all of these fields here were over here under the available fields. So you just click on each of them, and it'll bring it over to the selected fields folder. So once you have everything that you need, these are all the titles that we had for the spreadsheet. You just make sure you transfer them from the available fields to the selected fields. And then you go ahead and just click on next again. And then now in this section, it's just gonna pretty much you break down each one, and then you want to go to where it says comparison type. You want to go to contain, so that the label author, all the authors' names would be contained in that search. And you just do it for all of them. Title of the article, you just put contains, year published, contains. The only ones you can't do contain are for the results, because that was information that you probably typed in, so I just left it as equal. And also for the implications, I just left it at equal. And then you go ahead, you click on next, and then all of these fields again were on the available fields, so you just click on each one of them to bring them over to the selected fields categories, and then click on next. So now this here, you just leave it as is. You click on next again. And then here are all the data page elements. They're all listed here: the author, title of article, year published, and so on. So you just go ahead, you click next again. And then for here, you just, where it says records per page, you just want to add 25 and just make sure it's checked off here. And the rest is already populated for you, so you don't have to change anything over here. Just make sure you add the 25 and that is checked off. And again, you click on next. And then this is already populated. It says, do you need a details page for each record? And it's yes, enable detailed page, and then link to detail page, default action link. And then click on next. And again, the fields that you want to choose, the author, title, year published, all of these will be in available fields. You want to switch them over to selected fields, and then you click on next. You click on next again, and then it says configure your details page options, and you make sure that navigate to next previous records is highlighted, and then you're pretty much done. So you're just gonna click on finish. And then your sheet is here. So now in order to get the URL so that you can add it into your app, when you create your mobile app, you have to click on deploy, and then it's going to be, make sure it's enabled, and then under embed, that should be highlighted. You're just going to copy and paste this link right here, and that'll be the link that you use for to create your mobile app and your searchable database. I hope this helps. Thank you, and have a great night or great day.